Jay here with another Product Review Tuesday, and today's product we're going to be reviewing is Alli. And Alli is supposed to work by decreasing the absorption of the dietary fat that you eat, thereby allowing you to lose weight. Let's take a look at it. Alli's active ingredient is called orlistat. Orlistat inhibits an enzyme called lipase that decreases the breakdown of your fat, therefore you can't absorb it. Hence, losing weight. That's the idea. But in order to understand that, let's go to the drawing board. Now we're going to get down to business. Remember, the way the product works is it prevents a certain amount of your fat that you eat from being absorbed. Let's talk about absorption. Here's your GI tract. Your GI tract is a long tube that wiggles around your body, and there's two openings. There's one called the mouth. There's another one called the anus. Depending on what part of the tube you're in, it gets different names. You have the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, and there's the anus once again at the end of the tube. Whatever you put in your mouth, if it stays in this tube, it wiggles throughout and it goes out the other end, which means that for any nutrient or anything to get in your body, it's got to get out of the tube and into your blood. Well, that's called absorption. So, you put some food in your mouth, you chew it up, you swallow it, it goes down to your stomach, it goes down to your small intestine, and it's going to get broken up small enough. It's going to be digested, is what happens. Digested, and when it's digested, it'll be small enough to get it out of the tube and then into the blood. Once it's in the blood, now it's in your body. This process right here is called absorption, getting it out of the tube and into your blood. Digestion is breaking it up small enough to get it out of the tube. Now, enzymes digest your food small enough. There's an enzyme known as lipase, and what lipase does is lipase breaks down your fat small enough to get it absorbed. What this product does is it kills the enzyme lipase, and it decreases the amount of digestion. Therefore, your fat doesn't get broken down small enough for it to be absorbed. It simply stays in the GI tract, and your fat goes out the other end. That's the mechanism. Okay, now to see the way the product works, let me give you a little more information and then I'll give you the final grade, the outcome. Is this a product that you would want to use? The product comes in pills, and you take a pill with each meal, up to 3 a day. And like I said before, it will decrease the amount of fat that's broken down and ultimately absorbed in your body. Here's the problem. If you eat too much fat, more than they recommend, this is what's going to happen. The fat is not going to be broken down, and it's going to go from your small intestine into your large intestine, and it's going to cause problems. Here's the problems. Oily or fatty stools, increased number of bowel movements, difficulty controlling bowel movements, pain or discomfort in the rectum, stomach pain, headache, and even anxiety. It says for every 5 pounds you lose from the diet alone, orlistat can help you lose 2 to 3 more pounds. In studies, most people lost 5 to 10 pounds over 6 months. 5 to 10 pounds over 6 months? For a chance where I'm on my way to work, or I'm on a first date, and I lose control of my bowel movement? I don't think so. It's not worth it. I would give this product, if you ate the right amount of fat, it could be a little bit effective, but I would still grade the product at a C-. Well, there you have it, another Product Review Tuesday from Professor J. For more product reviews and weight loss tips, visit me at secretloss.com.